All right, everyone, welcome to another solution video for question 10 on the basics worksheet 1. We're going to be looking at Canadian Computing Competition question J1 from 2013, next in line. So we know a family with 3 children. Their age form an arithmetic sequence. The difference in ages between the middle child and the youngest child is the same as the difference between the oldest and the middle. So given the ages of the youngest and the middle, we were trying to determine the age of the oldest child. Very simple. Let's go through it. Let's do our input. Let's say the youngest age is integer input, and the middle is going to be the integer input. Let's write a little message here. Enter the age of the youngest. And let's enter the age of the middle child. Awesome. Do our processing. I'm going to create a variable for the oldest child's age. And what it's going to be is middle plus the middle subtracted by the youngest. So we're going to get the difference between the middle child and the youngest child and add that to the middlemost child. And print the eldest child is, let's say, oldest years old, and that would be our program. So let's try this with the given example here of 5, 10, and 15. So if the youngest was 5 and the middlest was 10, the eldest child would be 15 years old. Thank you for watching and stay classy.